Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set the survey point in Revit. First, open a site plan view and ensure the visibility graphics are set to show both the survey point and the project base point. These 2 points are crucial for accurate site coordination and linking models. We'll begin by identifying their default locations and understanding their initial relationship within your project file. It's essential to distinguish between the survey point and the project base point. The survey point aligns your model with the true north and a shared coordinate system, often provided by a civil engineer. The project base point, however, is your model's internal 0-0 point. Understanding their distinct roles is key to proper setup and avoiding coordination issues later on. To accurately set the survey point, you'll typically unclip it first. This allows you to move it independently of the project base point. Then, use the Specify Coordinates at Point tool. This powerful feature lets you input precise northing, easting, and elevation values, aligning your Revit model with the exact real-world coordinates provided by your site's survey data. After moving the survey point, always verify its coordinates to ensure accuracy. You can do this by selecting the point and checking its properties. This precise setup is vital for successful collaboration, especially when linking multiple Revit models using shared coordinates. Once confirmed, save your project to preserve these critical settings for future work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.